What's up, guys? Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and got another product review for you. I know you guys been seeing a lot of them, but hey, there's a lot of great products out there. I'm not trying to say you got to go out and have all of these, because I kind of like the minimalist type approach, but if you're going to purchase some items, these are some good quality ones. So what I have is the camp stove from Uberleben, and I'm going to make up some cowboy coffee today. All right, I also have their kettle, which I really love the overhead or over the pot design with the handle. Has a nice lid with a good pour spout. Then it comes with a great waxed canvas container with a heavy duty strap and a good lid. And it's also oversized, so you can stick extra stuff in it. The pack stove comes with the waxed canvas to put it all in. And I also have a 12-ounce kuksa and their spoon. So I'm going to be using these fire starters from Bigfoot Bushcraft. Recently showed you guys these in the video, and I absolutely love this product. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for these. If you use my code WILDERNESS, you get 15% off. So really go check out these Bigfoot Bushcraft fire starters. Great product. Especially for the surefire or those individuals that just are not masters of fire, it makes for quick and easy fire building. So what I'm doing in this is I'm taking this fire starter, I scored a line on it with my knife right here in the middle, cut it in half, and then I'm just peeling it back, rolling it open like an old Tootsie Pop. All right. Expose some of those fibers. I'm going to use my oversized ferro rod from Bigfoot Bushcraft. Get her fired up. Put her inside my stove. All right. And I'm going to put all these little small twigs all around it underneath. Get these twigs a-rolling. Try to get a good coal ember. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and put my pot on top. Don't want to waste any of that heat. And these are all really small twigs that I'm using right here. This is just the small stuff that you would use to get your initial bird nest going. And then I'll be stepping up to pencil size here in a moment. I'll go ahead and put that lid on the top. I want to retain all of that heat. And that has a great fiction fit. I'll go ahead and pop the top here and throw in a couple bigger ones. And there we go. So I'll come back to you once I'm ready to throw in that coffee. Stick with me, guys. Alright guys, starting to get a nice simmer on. Alright, and that's what you want with cowboy coffee. You want to get that good simmer. Alright, you don't want to necessarily have a hard boil. So, I'm going to take a couple spoonfuls using this spoon from Uberleben. And here's the trick on the cowboy coffee, alright? put more than you need. Make it strong. And the reason for that is when you let it simmer for a little bit, and then you'll stir it around and you pour in some nice cold water to get it to get the grounds to go to the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit. Let that coffee do its thing, and we'll enjoy us some coffee. Also, not sponsored by Black Rifle Coffee, but I love Black Rifle Coffee. Every Father's Day, Christmas, whatever, seems that my 18-year-old son buys me Black Rifle Coffee, and I love it. I've got a variety of different dark blends and medium blends. It's veteran owned, very patriotic, obviously. Me being a veteran myself, love supporting veteran-owned American companies, and highly recommend Black Rifle Coffee. Again, not sponsored. I purchased this, but I love it. So, great coffee, made by some great guys, and they put out some pretty entertaining stuff there on YouTube. So, all right, let's give this a little stir. Well, that smells delicious. Alright, so gonna need just a little bit longer. So the reason why you want to make it extra strong, I'll show you here in just a second. Really, this is I seen this from Morris Kahansky, who is no longer with us, but a great outdoorsman. So a lot of people call him the father of bushcraft. So anyway, you take your coffee, give it a good stirring. Okay, you kind of want to get that tornado effect going on. Then take cold water and pour from above. Alright, and that's supposed to help grinds get down to the bottom. Doesn't help if you got grinds all over your lid, but whatever. Now, I'll pour us a nice cup of coffee. Now here's the deal. Cowboy coffee, you're always going to have a little grinds in it. Alright? That's just part of it. But when you're out in the woods, having a good cup of coffee is far better than a no cup of coffee. Or even a bad cup of coffee is better than no coffee, in my opinion. But, you know, some people get to be coffee snobs. I was in the Army. That stinking coffee you could repair roads with, right? So, anything is good when you're out in the woods. And that'll do the trick. So, if you like American-made coffee, go get you some Black Rifle Coffee. Definitely would love for you to go check out the Bigfoot Bushcraft. Again, I'll leave special link and promo code wilderness for discount on that. Also, check out Uberleben. They have some great products for the outdoorsmen when it comes to traditional kuksas, as well as this kettle. I really love this overhead design and the camp stove. And with having these good waterproof pouches to store them in, can't beat it. Also love this spoon, it's just awesome. So anyway, I'm gonna leave the links to all of those in the description box. Go check them out, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.